all day. All right. There's a lot of chats though. That's the hard part. Now that Ken's mic is off. Wait, hold on. I just realized something. I did. The audio is totally screwed up. Hold on. Fuck. What is mic a duo? Mic a duo? What did I call that thing? Hold on. How did I screw? Okay, now, okay, so everything looks good on my hand or on my side. All right, Ken, speak. Yeah, you're not there. Hold on. Hodl. Hodling. Oh, yeah, okay. Here, speak now.
Hey!
Okay, that was good. All right, Madison.
Hello.
All right, Madison, can you up yourself just a touch? Just a little bit. Ken's the best. Wow.
Wow.
I think you're better now.
Okay. I turned it up a little.
Thank you, Thena. You're not Thena, by the way. Neither of you two. Hey, guess what?
Must be a shot.
We're doing this. You guys look so curious. Like, what is he? Nothing. Just hanging out. I'm excited.
Like, guess what? Silence.
Yeah.
Silence.
Well, Ken, why do you look
We're like-
confused? Answer now.
What?
Why do you look confused?
There's just a lot going on both screens.
Is there?
Yeah, plus this Barbie is digging into the back of my fucking head. I might...
Yeah, you might
Here.
just have to take it off.
I don't want to see it.
Yeah. Here, hold on.
Oh, whoa! Not on stream.
Oh my
All right.
God.
All right.
Nasty.
It's so hot in my office.
He just wanted to take off his clothes. That's
Oh
all.
my God. Wow.
I work out. My name's Ken. I work. Oh, gosh. There we go.
Not even a big deal, you know.
Whoa, Madison! Don't bring guns on Twitch. You know TOS over here. Cotton
know.
4K. Cotton 1080. P. Not interlaced. All right, so today we're doing a theme tier list, meaning we're going to go through different themes and we're going to rank them from S to Emax. Well, really from NeoVim to Emax. There's the rating system, NeoVim being the best of the best, Vi being next, IntelliJ, Nano, Atom, VS Code, and of course Emax at the bottom, exactly where it deserves to be.
Wow, VS Code is really so. That means that VS Code is bad.
Yeah, that's what that means. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
But not as bad as Emacs. So, I mean, you should feel good about that. That we can all make fun of Emacs together.
IntelliJ's looking a little high up.
Well, IntelliJ is actually like a useful IDE.
Okay.
Okay. Still have
No
questions on
bite?
that.
Nothing? No bites? Okay. Okay, I'm just checking. I was just seeing if somebody's going to be like, actually, you know. No? Okay. Anyways, getting wrecked. Okay, you use it. Okay, who cares? Who actually uses VS Code? In the chat, type 1 if you use VS Code. I want to see it. Now, you'll notice YouTube is like 19 seconds behind. All right, you both use VS Code?
I do.
Wow, there are so many people that use VS Code.
Wow.
I know. It's just shocking. This shocks me. Okay, I'm shook.
Really? I thought it was like common knowledge that VS Code is really like used quite a lot. No.
Yeah, it is. I'm just... You know, I just like to pretend like I am unique or not unique and everybody else actually uses Vim with me. But it turns out I'm the only one that uses Vim. This is really cool. Thank you, everybody, for making me feel bad about myself. All right, so we do have ourselves a nice, sweet theme tier list. I did program this in HTML, hacking the government, so we can put them up one at a time right here, depending on what we want to do. So just so you guys know the rules, NeoVim obviously being the highest ranking of them all, Emacs being the lowest. You better pick your favorite themes here, and you better come prepared to defend your ideas. Okay? Come on! Say something! Say yes!
Oh,
you
you're
too?
talking to me? I thought
Yeah,
you were
did
talking
you-
to everyone, the collective.
Why would they defend it? Nobody cares what they have to say.
No, I'm ready. I'm very opinionated.
No one cares about that.
No, we'll defend.
Okay. Oh my goodness.
Let's
This
put
is
VS Code at the top, though. Let's
start.
put it at the top, right? Right, Ken?
What is that? What now?
Let's put VS Code at the very top, number 1.
No, that's not.
I
We're
mean,
not
certainly
ranking
above
editors.
IntelliJ.
Oh no. Nano, the joke is that Atom's above it. I feel like you're missing the actual joke. The discontinued editor is above VS Code.
You should make Adam gray.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Why?
Gray.
Fine. We'll make Atom gray. All right. Atom. Is that one of them? It's D. Is there like a D? Yeah, there is.
Can you
Okay.
put a strike through?
Gray. Spelling it the old British way or whatever they do. There you go. Look at that. It's beautiful now.
Wow. Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Shook.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's good.
All right, hold on 1 second. I'm going to take myself and I'm going to flip myself around because I'm going to keep pointing the wrong direction here. There we go. There we go. So now I can go like this. It's over here. Oh, yeah. It's right there. There we go. That's good. Okay, I like that. I can't weatherman on this side. I have to weatherman on this side. Doesn't make any sense to me. All right. So now that we got that, we are going to do some beautiful theme. So do you guys, first off, do you two have any themes you would personally like to start with? Now, we don't, here's a little tip. You don't want to start with an S theme, right? You want to kind of, you got to work our way in there, right? Let's first, S being the highest one, NeoVim.
Oh,
So
okay,
S is always at the top, S, A, B, C, D, E, F, right? F being the worst. I think it's Crazy Taxi that started all this.
Well, I mean, maybe Monokai, right? That's like built in on shit.
Monokai?
Yeah.
Yeah, we can look at it. I think I even have Monokai as a potential option, actually. I think I already had this thing. Let's find out. Let's see. Open. Do we have a Monokai Pro, right? Is that what you're saying? This
Yeah.
one right here?
I don't know the pro designation.
That's what do you think about this?
I mean, it's a little muted from what I'm used to for Monokai, but I think Monokai is like a solid, at least VI level.
Really? You think it's the second best? It's an A.
It's a B.
It's a B?
Yeah, I mean, it's like default on like half the shit you install, right? So it's like when it comes up, like for me, I'm not like, oh no, Monokai, I better change this. Like if somebody's like using Monokai, I'm like,
did you just tell me that you use Sublime without telling me you use Sublime? Isn't Sublime the only one that uses this by default?
maybe it's like one of the ones like the better like not have to install it ones on VS Code. I don't remember.
Madison?
I don't know. I think it's pretty like, it's not very colorful. It's kind of boring. Yeah.
I'd put this in a solid boring category.
Very boring.
It's boring.
It's not
Wow.
very good for me. It's like you got no personality if you're using this theme. You know what I
Ken, no personality Wheeler over here.
I don't use it. I just said it's all right.
mean?
You don't
You
use
mean
it and you put it in the B category? I guess I wouldn't use a B either.
No, only A themes for me.
Really? I'm only S tier. It's funny you should only use A tier. I mean, it's weird that you use only A's.
Yeah, no, it's cool.
You don't ever use a B sometimes, just like slumming it a little. Why not?
How often do you switch your themes?
I don't tell anybody about it.
Tell us about it, Ken.
Not broadcasting it. It's keeping it on the DL.
All right, so I guess we got our first one, which is, I mean, I'm thinking that this is a solid. This is a B tier right here, right? I'm thinking it's at least C to D tier.
Yeah, I think it's C.
C? Ken,
Ken.
respectfully agree or disagree?
C.
C? Okay, we're all going nano on this. Let's do it. Now, I do have to remember how I actually, of course, because I don't have an actual theme list, I have to do something like this. So we'd go down to C, right? And we're going to paste this in and go to, what is it called? Monokai Pro? Okay, yeah. This is nice. This is nice. Sorry. You know, you may have heard of Vim. Do you know anything about Vim? Have you heard of it? All right, so we have our first entrance right here, Monokai Pro. You feel good about that? Let's see what chat has to say. Chat, what do you have to say? Ken is awesome. Ken, you got 2 awesomes in a row. I don't know what the hell this is all about. By the way, I didn't even introduce either of you two. Okay, so we have Madison at the very, very top up there. Madison, you have something pretty neat you do, right? You do a book club, right? This isn't
Yes,
just
I do.
your average book either. This is some sweet, sweet programming books, correct?
Yep. We spend a lot of time. We like do group programming, leak codes. You know, if you ever want to leak code on the weekends because you hate your life, join me. Yeah.
That sounds pretty
Yeah.
fun. I like hating my life.
I
All right,
need
where?
to do that.
Yeah, where can we even find you on this adventure? Because you're saying you just do this thing. Where do we go to find that?
Yeah. We have a Discord.
Okay, we have. Let's see.
Yeah. Go to Code Book Club. There's the Twitter.
Boom.
Yes.
There's the Twitter. All right. Does the Twitter have? Oh, you don't have your Discord linked right here.
I don't. Nope. I probably should, huh?
You put good feedback right there. You can. Did you know that you can actually just put links in the chat or in your description, and they'll act like links?
Well, so I have an email sign up because the trick is get their email instead of just having them sign up for Discord because it's easier to message people. So you have
That's
to sign
right.
up to our email list if you want to get in the Discord. It makes it exclusive and
Ooh.
it's a good strategy. So I've heard.
Ooh, I
Is it
like
wild
it.
in there?
I like
That's
it.
marketing. Thanks, Trash. Is it what?
Is it wild in your Discord?
Yeah.
I hope so. I hope so. We've gotten some Zoom bombers before. We've seen some shit, honestly.
What's a Zoom bomber?
It's like I used to send out the link on Twitter and be like, join me. And then like men would show up with no clothing. I'm not kidding.
Oh
Ooh,
wow!
You got the full beans on camera?
Zoom bomber. Yeah, I've seen some stuff. I mean, yeah.
Wow. That just seems
So
so
sometimes-
risky because you like, especially in the tech world, like there's a chance you're gonna just like run into a person that you.
Same thing happens to me with girls. It's incredible. I'm like, whoa, calm down, guys.
Oh, yeah, they
Really?
would show up-
Like, what are you doing?
Yeah.
I live a tame life.
Wow. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's special. That must be really rough for you, Ken. That's
Yeah.
a rough life.
It really is. I'm like,
I'm so sorry you have to
Explain the
deal
whole
with that.
married thing.
yeah, I'm just.
Whoa, calm down.
There's a church across the street, so we settle that
Yep.
pretty quickly.
All right. So awesome. So you do some books out. Anything else you do? Anything else besides for sweet weekends?
No, I mean, yeah, I code by day. I actually was laid off yesterday from my front end position. That's a bit
Oh,
of a downer in the chat.
Fuck.
What?
But usually I'm a programmer, like by day. Just work I work with the Reacts. Yeah.
What happened?
They laid off like half the company. Yeah. So
Fucking A.
She half
it's
the
just-
company.
it's- Yeah, almost
Just
half.
saying.
We were small. We were like 60 people, I think. But
Still,
we can go on Ken's introduction.
you sure? I mean, we could chat about this. What's the plans though? What's your plans here? What are you gonna be doing?
I don't know my plan yet. I woke up today and I watched Netflix for a while.
Okay.
I'll probably just get another job. I don't know though. Yeah.
How did you feel
Full-time
about it? Was it
content
tough?
creator.
Oh my gosh. Yeah. I'm not that good at creating content. I'm very lazy about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Was it tough, the laying off and all that? Is that I've never had that happen to me, but I always feel like it would just be like, what do I do for a second? You feel lost,
I've never
confused?
had it happen, and I see people on the Twitters being like, oh, I was laid off. It's so hard, and I'm always like, what's the big deal? But then it happens to you. You're a little bit down.
Yeah.
Yeah, for sure. I'm just bringing down the whole chat. I'm just gonna start weeping right here.
This is
No, it'll be good. It happens.
well, if you make a tweet, I'll retweet it. We'll find
Thank
jobs.
you.
I hear that's a great way to
Likewise.
find jobs. I hear that's actually one of the best ways to
Thank
find
you.
jobs is you just say
I
I
should do
would.
that.
You do that on Twitter and it gets found. Anyways.
Yeah.
All right. So React. If anyone knows anything about React, you know who to talk to. All right. Well, sorry about that. That makes me feel sad. But I'm glad that you got to
Yeah.
join us and you get to hang out and hopefully we can brighten some days, judge some.
Yeah, I had no meetings today, so
Yeah.
I'm here. It's amazing.
Let's do this. And then Kenneth, I think you have the nickname Beat Me Daddy or Beat Daddy or something like that.
Something like that.
Okay. What do you do?
I code for money.
I code for money.
Yeah.
That's cool.
Wait, you said that sounds so weird. Like you're saying I strip for money, but
It feels dirty, doesn't it?
It does. I don't like this. Normally I go with I make sweet science to computers. But
It's nowhere near that smooth.
yeah.
Just raw, filthy code for money.
Raw dogging
Um,
coding for
But
some money.
It's been working out.
Okay. That's fun. That's fun. Do you like your job? Do you get to do all your sweet rendering and all that sweet stuff, or do you actually just have like a regular day job in which all of the stuff you speak about and all that other stuff is all like post work hour stuff?
Oh yeah, like if I give like a talk, I mean, like I can't talk about any of that shit anyway, right? Because it's like IP. So like it's always like, hey, here's how to make like a boombox with React or something, right? Just because why not have fun with it?
Yeah. Okay. That's good times. All right. And is there anything you want to like show off? Like Madison has Sweet Book Club. Do you have anything?
I mean, I
Sound
don't know. I've been like flex or something. I don't know. Not really. Go on my Twitter, I guess.
Okay. We'll go on your Twitter. Let's go. Ken Wheeler.
Ken, a song you made forever ago, it has like still been stuck in my head, like vaguely.
Which
It
one?
had the word cheeks in it.
Those cheeks.
Cheeks, yes.
Yeah. Yeah. If you go on Spotify and search Ken Wheeler,
I
those
love that
cheeks.
song.
Believe it or not, it's on there.
There you go. We just listened to your tune. You didn't get to listen to it because I don't want you to hear what I was doing there. But we just listened to this nice little tune you did right here. It's a good little tune, Ken.
Yeah.
Little voice box and everything.
That's a talk box.
Yeah. I
Like
hear Peter
Roger.
Frampton use them.
Frampton,
Yeah, Peter.
Roger, Troutman.
Beat LaJuice.
That's right.
I linked that one for you, and you never even responded once. Which hurts my feelings a little bit weird. A little bit. Little bit.
Denied.
Yeah. I like it
Sorry,
gave you
man.
this really great song that I thought was like really awesome. Look at that, you even just got a like right now. People are liking it. Look, I haven't even liked it. Boom.
Dang.
I liked it
Yeah.
just for you.
Where's it being liked?
On Twitter, on the like button.
Oh, okay. I can't pay attention. I'm like half a fucking
What do
boomer,
you-
man. I can't pay attention to all this shit.
What are you asking me? All right. Okay.
Oh my god.
All right. A great introduction. We got this done. I'm half a fucking boomer, Ken. What's it being liked on, huh? What are all the cool kids saying? All right. So we got done with Monakai Pro. So we'll let chat spam a bunch and tell us the next thing to look at. Chat, what do you want to look at next? So Ken, you got to pick one. I had to ban someone because they wouldn't shut up about something.
I have to pick one. Didn't I just pick one?
You just picked one.
Yeah. So who's up?
The chat. We're letting chat go.
Oh, chat's going.
Yeah.
Oh,
Should we
is.
do Nord? Everybody loves this idea of Nord.
Nord or Nordico? I use Nordico.
Ooh,
Is
you
that the
use
same thing?
Nordico.
Are they related?
I would assume they are. I'm not much of a scientist, but I'm going to say they probably are. So let's go to Nordico. Nordico theme, right?
Yes.
Visual Studio Marketplace. I already don't like where this is going.
Yes. Yep. There we
Hey, look
go.
at that. It's based on the. All right, let's look at this. Let's enjoy it together.
I think it's beautiful.
Didn't you just get done saying that the last one was boring?
Yes, I did. I see. I'm a complex lady.
Complex right here.
Hey, I don't like what you're implying. I think this is beautiful in the non-boring way. It's sophisticated.
All right, sell it to us right now. What makes this nice?
You look at it and it's like a beautiful like winter, a blue winter with some icicles, and you just feeling good as you start coding, get into your flow state. Yeah, it's like a beautiful ocean. You don't look convinced.
I'm not convinced, but I'm not gonna lie to you. The thing that actually bothers me significantly more, I can see this. I like this wintry description that you have going on here. It's actually the coding style that's most bothering me. The lack of spaces with the if followed by a new line. I'm just like emotionally being hurt right now.
Yeah, I don't know what that example is. That makes the theme look way worse. You would fall in love with this theme if it wasn't for that. So it's ruined for you now.
Yeah, now I'm judging.
Ken, what do you think?
Yeah, Ken. Boomer Ken, let's hear it.
Half.
The half?
I don't really like that theme.
What don't you like?
I don't
no
know.
red,
it's like really, yeah. There's not really like I like really really loud looking shit, and that's not that. Like it's so subtle that like it's very like easy on the eyes, but like if I had to code that every day, it would just be boring. Like I'd be like and like sometimes I'll use the colors to like, actually sit there and like micro react to the different tokens and shit like that, right? So like something that subtle. I don't know. It just looks like a Helly Hansen jacket that I wouldn't buy.
Damn.
Damn! Bringing the
It's pretty.
Norwegians into this one. That's just rough. All right.
Just saying.
Or the Swedes. I can't remember. All right. Well, let's go over here. Let's take a picture of this bad boy because I feel like that's a requirement, and then we will rate this shutter. I'm so bad at using shutter. Just let it happen. Let it happen. Beautiful. Beautiful. That was selection 41. Perfect. All right. So where are we putting this? Where are we putting this? Are we putting this in? I mean, obviously, Madison, you're voting S tier here, I assume. You're putting this all the way at the tippity top.
Yes, I am.
Ken, where are you putting it?
Oh, I mean, it's not an ugly theme, right? Like it's
Okay,
still
so
very pretty. Like it works. Like
Not
maybe
ugly.
maybe IntelliJ.
Imagine saying that about someone. Well, they're not ugly. It's such a compliment. Well, they're not ugly.
I would. I mean, I wouldn't be pumped.
Get out! Oh my goodness, that is ridiculous. You know, I feel like I could use this for a day. I feel like this could be like a day trip. You know, it's not something that I would code in all the time, but I like the wintry notion to it. It somehow feels romantic. Like there is something.
Would you code with it on stream or would you hide it?
I think I could do this in front of people. I think I could use this in front of people. You know, for a day. Yeah, I could IntelliJ this one. I could IntelliJ this one as sorry. So that means we got 1 on S and 2 on B. That's a B. It's 2 Bs. Are you fine with that? You're not fine with it, but you're gonna have to be. What about chat? Chat A is SABCD. Hit me with it right now. We gotta always hear what they have to say because my guess is that Twitch is gonna.
So many Ds.
Lot of D's on this one. So chat brings it down to like a D or C level.
Yeah.
It's like a D forest.
Never using this theme again, ever.
Oh, even Bash coming in with the D. Damn. You can see the difference between Twitch and YouTube. So now that we're all done voting, Twitch now comes in. Oh, we're voting now. Okay, it's a D.
Damn.
Yeah, it looks like, okay, so chat is like a solid D. This whole lowercase d and b thing, I don't think I can actually read it. I don't think I could actually read that. That's dyslexia heaven right there. All right, so chat puts us down here on Adam. You're up here. We voted right here. So I'd say IntelliJ is a good vote. IntelliJ is, I'd say that's a good vote. We kind of split the difference right there. All right. Sorry. Now, this part is actually kind of painful. I should probably have thought of a better way to do this. But since I am an actual boomer, Ken, I know you like to pretend you are a boomer, Ken, but I probably am the most boomerish of them all.
Is that right?
Oh, yeah. Oh, heavily. Heavily.
New Balances?
I love New Balances.
Okay.
New Balances are great shoes. Say that again?
That's a shoe?
You are clearly a Zoomer. All right, you know.
I'm keeping it. I'm doing it.
Someone
Oh my gosh, no.
tag it back, that one.
What are those? And I'm wearing them with socks.
Wait, why are you wearing shoes indoors?
Oh, because I'm a scumbag.
I, on the other hand, am living the dream life of no running water. So I have this sock on this foot. Yes, I wear high socks. And this
Really
sock
long.
on the other foot. I don't even have matching socks at this point in my life.
We're going to get you some matching socks. It's going to be okay.
White socks?
Yeah,
One white sock.
white socks. Hey, at least I don't have flip-flops on, okay? If you have flip-flops on plus socks, I feel like that's peak boomer.
You should try it sometime, man.
Is it a good move?
Mm-hmm.
Is it? All right, Madison. You just picked. You did Nordico, didn't you?
I did just pick someone, yeah, and it got wrecked. It got wrecked.
Got wrecked.
Someone else has got to choose now.
All right, we gotta have someone else. Let's see. No, I already know what Bash is gonna pick. Not Bash. Who do we want to pick? We want somebody. Start saying out some things. Hey, people, pick themes. Ooh, look, Aura theme. Here we go. We're gonna do Aura theme. Oh my goodness. Nope, we're not gonna do Aura theme.
No? Why not?
That I couldn't capture it. It was moving too fast. Let's see. Rose Pine theme. Now, I do remember this one. I've seen this one. I've seen it.
Cool name.
It is cool. It's a cool name. But the real question is it going to be good? Oh, my goodness. You can see, there we go. Something beautiful. Okay, I can already tell that this website is a little too highbrow for me.
Yeah.
Discover. What the hell's going on here? Where's this rose pine?
Where is it?
I don't know. I'm struggling to try to figure out what the hell's happening. Oh, there it is. Rose pine for NeoVim. All right, here we go. What are you thinking? Ken, lay it on me.
I don't like the dark blue. It's presented very sexually. Truly. I like the gradient,
Yeah.
right?
It
It's
matches
presented
the text
right.
well.
That dark blue, I just can't.
If you take away the gradient, though, it's not so good. It's like wiping off makeup, and it's like all bad over there.
Just all bad the moment the makeup's gone.
The moment the makeup comes off, you're like, oh my god. Yeah, same with this. Take away the gradient, I hate it. Yeah, I mean, this is
Interesting.
definitely way more boring than Nordico, right? Right, guys?
Right?
Right? I don't know if that's true. Okay, so I will say I like this. Do you see these little roses right here? That rose color, that orangey, maybe a peach. Can't quite tell yet what color that is, but I like that color. No? No one else?
Okay.
I'm trying to find it. Oh, okay. You have to do it in like a edit. I'm trying to like look at it actually on my screen just to see if there's any more contrast. Give him a fair one.
Yeah, give him a fair one.
No, that dark blue sucks.
That dark blue does suck. The dark
I
blue
don't
does.
like it.
Not for me.
All right. Well, then, you know what? I always have a problem when strings are in like orange or yellow. I don't like that one bit. I've never been a fan of that.
Why?
I don't know. Just rubs me the wrong way. You know, like it reminds me of the old PHP days. NetBeans, editor of the gods back in the day. You know, PHP in NetBeans would have the strings as like reddish or something like that. And it was just like, it always bothered me. But when I would do Java in NetBeans, it was really beautiful. It was green. Green strings. I believe Nordico does green strings.
Yeah, I think it does.
Yeah.
I don't remember.
Green strings.
Green strings. You know, I think it's a staple of a good color theme. All right, so what are you rating this? Go now, Madison.
I don't know, Adam.
Oh damn, she's going D level on this one. Man, she was quick, ready.
I'm getting feisty now after mine was trashed.
You're just gonna hurt somebody else's feelings now.
Yeah.
10.
F.
F. Damn.
F.
Okay.
See, the thing
Yeah,
is that if it wasn't for this dark blue, I would have definitely put this way closer to an A rating. If it was just something else, but that dark blue is so bad that I can't use it.
Yeah, it's like, you know, the Nord one, like I could absolutely use this with that dark blue. No.
Can't use it. Can't even use it for a day. Wouldn't even use it on Twitch. Okay, I wouldn't even
Computer
show
in
my
the
mom
woods.
this.
Maybe use it on Twitch.
Ken, you'd probably have to go to that church across the street after using this one.
That's right.
Yeah. Ugh.
Yeah, gotta go tone.
It's going all the way down. So Adam or VS Code? What are we thinking here?
Adam, just because the rest of it has merit.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's true.
Chat, how do you feel? How's chat's feelings about this? What do we got? D's, F's, A's? Where are we at?
E, not enough contrast. Good point. Not enough contrast.
Oh, did I just see?
Oh my god, this is getting wrecked more than my theme.
Yeah, this
Oh,
one.
damn.
Wow, but this one has really wide variation. Look at that. D, F, S. A lot of D's and F's. We may have led the witnesses, though.
Yeah.
Someone put in a G?
A little
Damn.
biased.
All right, we're going all the way down on this one. All right. Let's see. I'm going to put this one in. Let's go all the way down. VS Code. I think I already have a picture of this one. What is it? Did I not have a picture of it? I thought I did. Oh, I called it Pine. I'm pretty sure that's true. It was called Rose Pine, right?
Rose Pine.
I mean, cool name.
It is a cool name.
Great name.
I like it.
Rose Pine.
Rose.
Yep, there it is. I even have that exact same picture right there. Look at that. All right. You know, I feel like this one could have done better. I feel really bad because it has all the makings of a good theme, except for that blue. The blue just ruins it
The
all.
blue just destroyed it.
I mean, imagine spending all that time on a theme just to get owned by a little bit of blue. All right. I think it's time. I think it's time for me to pull out one. Okay, I'm gonna pull out one of my personal favorites.
Whip
All
it
right.
out.
I'm gonna whip it out. We're gonna whip it out here. Okay.
Whip it out.
I am. Okay. Just let me get there. Okay.
On stream, whip it out, man.
I'm always a little bit worried about doing this because, you know, it's just like telling someone you really liked a song. It's really bad when they hate it. And you can feel them disliking it and judging you thoroughly as that happened. Where's a good dark one?
On stream judgment.
On stream judgment is just one of the worsts. All right, so apparently this is a really large image and can't fit on here. Can we open image in a new tab? There we go. This is AYU. Dark. Madison, I can tell right away that you did not look impressed. You looked at me like, what?
I think it was so hyped. I wanted to like it so bad, you know, but it is good. I wanted to love it so much.
But how do you really feel?
You know? It's actually not bad. It's kind of cool. It's growing on me.
Okay. I do like the purples. A little purple right there. Kind of makes me happy. It makes me happy.
Everybody loves the perps.
Everyone loves a little bit of purple in your life.
Good blue, but you know what? I cannot reconcile that orange next to that yellow.
Yeah, do you think that's... So the keyword and function names, not good.
No.
Yeah, you know, I don't know how I feel about keywords being orange. I really just always want them red. I love, like, a really standing out keyword. You know what I mean?
As do I. I think it should, like, your different, like, tokens or whatever should be distinguishable from one another.
Yeah. This is pretty, though. This is growing on me.
I know. I used it for a long time. I actually really appreciate this one. What's going on with that is word, though? Look at that. It's like it's completely different colors than all the rest. It's like this light pinkish. I don't know what's going on there. It's very exciting to me, though. Very, very exciting. All right, Madison, you got to give us the raw deal here. What is it? What do we got?
I feel like I like it. I don't know. I might just be biased now. I'm just telling you what you want to hear.
Yeah. Stop telling me what I want to hear.
Secretly hate it. No, I feel like it's pretty good. Yeah, I could see it as a B.
B. All right.
Go B. I'm like legit gonna use this. At least I'm gonna try it.
Try it for a day?
Yes.
I think I tried it for like 3 days. I used it for like 3 or 4 days, and then I still always switch back to the same theme every single time.
Ken, what about you?
I'm gonna go with B or C. B because I could use it.
Would you tell someone you're using it though?
Yeah, I could tell somebody. I'd be like, "Yeah, I'm trying this out. I know it's a little ugly, but fuck it. You know, it's you know."
No, it's a little ugly. Would you tweet about it?
Yeah,
it's a little ugly, but it's
with it.
I'd post a code sample with this in it. I wouldn't be like.
You would post a code sample. That's pretty big.
Yeah,
that is a big deal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so.
That you can't be posting no B's though. That sounds like A tier if you're going to be posting on Twitter a code sample.
You underestimate or you overestimate how many shits I give.
This is true.
Not a polished individual.
This is not 2018, Ken. This is a different year, Ken.
Oh yeah, this is Dad Ken. Just
seen some shit.
I'm like, it's good enough. Throw it up there.
All right. So Ken, you got a B or C. Madison, B. I'd give this an A. I'd put this under the A category. So since we're non-reconciled, I think we need chat to join in.
Ooh, got some variants.
It's like a lot of... We got one S in there. Saw Beastco fly by with an S. A lot. I'd say that this one probably reaches the B or the C level. The BC. Agreeing with Ken on this one. It hurts a little bit because there's a lot of people, specifically Beastco, that loves this theme, and they just got crushed.
Do you use this theme?
I've used it, yeah. I've used it. I don't use it. I've used it.
You said you always go back to the same theme, but like, isn't it kind of like, I find it really boring to stick with the same theme for more than 6 months, right?
I change it up, right? But I always find myself after like 2 months, doing a little tour decode theme. I always come back to the same one and say, I do like this one the best. And then I go back out and I try a new one and think I like it. And then I see my old one and I turn right back into that, the guy looking back at the girl. I just turn right back into that. I'm like, yep, I'm back to my old theme. It happened to me just recently. Happens every time. All right. Why don't you build one?
Someone said, where are the light themes? What?
That's a serial killer, Madison.
Yeah.
That's a serial killer right there.
There actually is a valid use for a light theme.
All right, hit us right now.
Outdoor?
Next to the goddamn pool.
Really?
I was sitting there, right?
Okay.
And I'm like, I can't see anything. And I'm like, let me just try this. And I switched it to a light theme. And it worked.
Did it really?
It really worked.
Huh. Seems really skeptical.
Unbelievable.
Cool. Try it out.
I don't know if I believe it. Okay, so we're putting AYU as a B or a C. Chat and Ken said C, B. Madison B, I said A. Hey, you're supposed to have opinions here, okay? Either of you two. You're like waiting. Don't wait. Don't ask for permission.
B.
All right.
B, yeah. The average is to B.
It's too late, Madison. Don't try to join in after something's been said like that.
I was thinking that already. God.
All right, so oxocarbon. Okay, so I've seen this one said a lot. Oxocarbon.
Oxocarbon.
Have you heard about this one? Oxocarbon. All right, here we go. Whoa, I can't look at that. All right, how do I even? There we go. Okay, there we go.
Fuck no.
Hideous. Just
No way.
worst coder in the world.
I feel like I can't see anything.
Yeah, like we've gone colorblind all at once at the same time.
It's like it's a really good idea that you just decided to turn down all the good parts down to like really low, just like a nice gray sheen on top of everything.
It looks like there's an error overlay that we can't see.
Yeah, this little Rust. I think they're flexing Rust on us right here, just letting us know. By the way, I use Rust.
Yeah.
That's what that
Isn't
looks
that
like.
what you do all the time, Prime?
Yeah, this is what I do. That's why. I mean, obviously, that's why this did get like maybe one level better because of that.
You created this theme. It's okay. We won't judge
Yeah.
you.
I don't know who this person is that created this. Definitely not me. I definitely didn't do this.
Yeah, no idea what you're talking about.
You made that theme?
No, it's entirely too gray.
Okay, yeah, I agree.
Ugh. Plus, this person's doing something that looks like Lisp over here.
What's the matter with this guy's eyes?
Is that Lisp? Oh my god.
This person. Yeah, ugh. This person has to be like 15 years old to be able to code in this. I mean, how are your eyes still that good?
Yeah, maybe ours are just bad.
Maybe that's it. Hey, do you know what's going on right here? Is this like a non-monospace colon going on right there?
A ligature of some kind?
Is that what's happening right there? I can't tell.
What that is. Like, I don't know.
It looks non-correctly spaced in comparison to the rest of the items around here.
Luke said it's a ligature. Trust Luke.
Luke?
That's Luke.
With
Luke.
whom is Luke?
Good job,
Oh,
Luke.
Luke.
Right there.
Okay, yeah, that's Luke. Yeah, I know Luke. All right, I could trust him. Okay, wrong. Oxocarbon. Oh. Well, shungite. Let's look at the proper. Yep, this looks like the exact same Oh, did you mean light theme?
Oh my god.
Do you see how like myself just brightened up several
You did.
several
You did.
units just then?
You know, I don't want to say I like it, but it's pretty. It's a lot better than the last version.
Are you saying this is pool theme capable?
This is absolutely pool theme capable.
You think you'd take this out? Maybe a little Vegas trip, whip out the laptop, Mai Tai?
If I was on a Vegas trip, the last thing that I would ever do is any kind of recreational computing.
Not
What
even
about-
for like 30 minutes for fun by the pool.
Yeah, it's like
No.
next day, post craps
You-
table, Ken.
Do you know what I do for fun by the pool?
What do you do by
Is it like PG rated for the stream?
Yeah, no, I drink
Oh yeah, totally.
and drink and drink and drink until I can sit still long enough to tan.
You drink
Nothing-
yourself
nothing-
into a tan?
Yeah, like I can't like like people like lay out to like 10. Like I can't do that. Like I have to just get like pass out shit faced, and then I lay there and I'm like, I wake up and it's beautiful.
All right, so maybe
Wake
we
up
need
and
maybe
all
we need
red.
2 ratings here. Should we rate the light theme? Ken, would you like to rate the light theme?
Yeah, I'll give that a B for sure.
Yeah, I also don't like it. I feel like I'm blinded after this dream.
Yeah. What do we let's see. What do we do here? Chat. What's the plan here? Okay,
Yeah,
trash
maybe a
tempted.
B is a little generous because of shit.
Trash had S. What?
B
What
for
is trash?
poolside.
Yeah, the problem is that there's a lot of intention here that you can't quite grasp. Since it's light theme, obviously if you're just programming in light theme, that's just weird. But if you're by the pool, I could see that. I could see it.
Dark theme version, hard F.
Hard F. Okay, let's just
Light theme,
dear sweetness, I
C-ish.
gotta get that off here. All right, so can someone send me a picture? Someone right now send me a picture because they're all saying that I have the wrong one, but they all keep linking the same one. Can someone send me a picture right now of this so-called theme? No, stop. See, again, the exact. How
the
many times
exact
do I
same
need to
thing.
be at the same place?
It's the same one. What?
Yeah, this is dog shit. This is not good. All right. All right. Here, apparently they've just sent me. They sent it to me. Hold on. Where'd this one go? All right. Copy link. Oh, you're telling me the dark readers here. Dark readers off. It's an image. Dark
Oh, I
readers.
have that extension too, and it just kind of like mess things up when you don't know. Yeah,
Yep. I'd still say this is crap. This is crap.
still pretty bad.
Still pretty bad.
T.
All right.
Yeah, no.
I'm going F on this one. Yeah, I said it. F. You know why? First off, purple strings. Not a fan of that one. That's you're selling just nothing but keywords with that purple. Okay, not appreciating that. Second, I don't like the scheme or the lisp or whatever dialect of language they chose to flex on us with. Should have stuck with Rust, but instead they went with that. Disgusting.
So if they had flexed it with Rust,
Yeah.
Flex, it would have been okay.
It would have been better.
Like,
And lastly, look at that green right there. That green is so weak, you probably can't even tell it's a green.
yeah,
Like gray.
it's terrible.
Gross. I realize you can't combine green and gray together. You can't. It's not a word you can make into one. Like kind of like grayish. I thought I could do it, and then as I was saying it, I realized I was like green. Oh dang it! Damn, I got had.
Can't do it.
Can I show you what a theme should look like?
Oh, you want to submit a theme to the party because I've submitted a
yeah.
theme. Madison's
Yeah.
submitted a theme.
Is that right?
Yeah.
You did, yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't go
Okay.
so well.
Yeah. So why don't you work on that while I send this one to a classic F tier Emacs position. Why don't you send it on over to me? All right. Let's see. What is the thing called? It was called. I think it was called Oxo Carbon Lua.
If you Google glow in the dark Gucci shark bites,
What?
I'll
I
Google
promise nothing else will come up.
that. Glow in the dark Gucci shark.
Is this a theme? This is your
Yeah.
inspiration for adults?
Ken Wheeler, glow in the
love that.
dark, Gucci shark
Oh my
bites Vim. Hey, you have a Vim. You have a Vim. So I mean, I'm already on board here. All right.
Oh my god, this is amazing. Wow.
That is just a clear. I mean, wow.
Is it too much though? Is it like you went to a rave and you love it, but you don't want to be at the rave every single day? You just want to go like that one time? You know what I
I
mean?
always want to be at the rave, so
Do you though?
Okay. Do you though?
it's got
But-
operator mono.
I just feel like I love it so much, but I feel like I'm going to inevitably tire of it, and I won't even want to look at it anymore. You know?
You might get a little tired. You might have to drink some water, and then you can come back and code some more.
All right. I'm gonna have to throw this out here, Ken. You know, one thing I don't like about this,
Mhm.
the string color. It's like super yellow.
Yeah. Yes, it is.
Stand by your decisions made.
I'm here for it.
Huh. Well, okay. Now, is this like your font choice that's causing these weird letters, or is that part of the
yeah,
style?
no, that's operator mono.
Oh, okay, that's operator mono.
Yeah. It was it was very hot stuff. Like, I don't know. When did this get made? Look in GitHub. It's like 4 years ago.
6
6
years
years
ago.
ago.
6 years ago.
Six. Yeah, at the time.
Wow, you made this.
That,
You've been waiting 6 years for this stream to show it on this stream. That is an impressive.
6 years I've waited.
Let's go check out how many stars this thing has. 43.
43.
I'll star that.
It's pretty good.
Nice.
Someone forked it even. Someone thought that they could do a better job with this theme.
Like, let's get rid of this yellow.
I am going to give this a solid, probably never would use VS
That's
Code
fair.
tier. I would just never use this.
Why not?
Just, you know what? Have you ever seen Vim's default theme?
I don't think so. I don't know.
It's pretty close to this one. It reminds me of also like, what is that? Jelly beans? Is that? Ken, did you drive some
Jelly beans?
candy theme? What the
Candy
hell's it
theme?
called? What is it called? Jelly beans Vim
Read the
theme.
Twitch chat. What?
Oh,
I haven't
no.
looked
What is
up
this one?
It's too hard.
That one's
Too
kind
many
of
messages.
too many. Okay, here. What does
Oh.
Twitch have to say?
There's a different oxycarbon that actually just pulled up.
Really, another oxycarbon?
Yeah, but this one looks different.
Actual.
All right.
From Roger.
I'm waiting. Okay, now this is much
Ooh, I
better.
like this. Yeah, this is beautiful. I
No,
love the
this is hot.
mixing in. That's
What the
really-
hell? What were we looking at before? Why? Who uploads a picture with a gray mat on top of it?
Maybe it's because you're on Linux or something.
I don't think that's how images work, Ken. I don't think that's
I don't
how it
know,
works.
man.
Because I followed a
This,
new
I love
link.
it. This is
I just
beautiful.
got this texted to me. It's incredible.
Yeah, I'm looking at it right now.
Wait, what is this called again?
This is oxocarbon.
Oh my god, I love it.
The one that looked all booty before, now it's just beautiful.
Yeah, that green. Look at that green. It's not like a green, which that was gray plus green, if you didn't notice. This is actually green. Teal, perhaps.
I would I would use this.
You'd use this? Would you send out a code sample? Madison, would you send out a code sample right now?
Yes,
In your
Absolutely.
Discord,
it's beautiful.
tagging everyone.
100% would. This could be my new theme.
This could be it.
Yeah, this could be it. Something productive came out of this.
I could try it out.
Maybe
Candy.
Here.
I could try this out. I'd put this at least as a B.
I think this is an A.
I don't know.
I think it's an A too. This is A tier.
this
the
is
best
A
we've seen.
tier. All right, chat. Retell me. What is this? Is this
Very good
A or
species.
B? A or
Put a
B
ring on it,
or
honestly.
S? I see a lot. We see a lot of A's. I think
So many
A.
A's, yes.
Lot of A's here. Lot of A's. Twitch chat.
Is the chat just agreeing with us? No, they wouldn't do that.
No. They definitely. They usually do the opposite. Shut it down. Hey, how's it going,
Yeah.
buddy? Sorry,
Yeah,
you gotta
like
yell
they
with
did
me.
with my team, Nordica.
Yeah, they shut you down, and you went out there like heartfelt and everything, and they just
I did.
ruined your life.
I know, and I was just laid off too, and then everyone's like, the theme sucked. I'm gonna go try myself.
I
a new band."
know. I can't even believe they did that after that story came in and then made you feel bad.
I know. That was a story to be like, yes, like pity like my theme. Give me a pity A.
You got to have
My
a
bad.
pity A. Easy pity A. All right, so I'd say that everyone but me calls it an A. See, here's why I don't call it an A. Is I think that I would use this, but I would end up getting like I think I'd get oxocarbon satiation pretty quick. You know what I mean?
No.
No? Okay. I thought it was. I thought that was
You would
like
get what?
Sorry, it's too clever for us.
oxocarbon satiation.
Word.
Word? That's all you got there?
Yeah. I
You know, like
agree
when you
with-
get too much, like, have you ever said the same word a bunch of times and then you can't say it anymore and it just feels weird? I feel like this would happen with this. There's just too much blue and red.
You know that's like pink and purple, right?
Well, but that's the base colors. The base colors. It's on the blue side. It has this cool feel, but it also has this hot feel, and I feel like I can't get out of it. You know what I mean?
I like it. It's like
Yeah.
Miami.
Miami Vice.
Just Miami. Cocaine convertible.
I can't argue it. I really can't. I can't argue that.
Why would you want to get out of that? Yeah.
All right, fine. You know what? I'll take your little oxocarbon, raise it from an Emax. You guys get to go all the way up to an A class. Vim just got it. Yeah, I mean, we're talking about one of the biggest comeback stories in a long time here because, you know, that thing was down low. That thing was
It was.
very, very low. And now look at us. All the way up to the
So
tippity top. It's our highest rated theme today. And I believe Madison even said she was going to post some pics of this theme later. So maybe some if statements. Who knows? I'm pretty excited about that. Actually, I am going to try it out. I'm going to try it out and see if I can actually like it. Because that's the thing is, once you do it, look at that. Everyone's really ready to give me themes right afterwards. They're like, okay, guys, give it to me.
Oh my gosh, so many.
They wait for the rating, and then they just go as fast as they can right afterwards. All right. So Ken, hold on. We never finished off with Ken's.
True, we did.
Don't worry about it.
Nope, Ken, you're definitely getting it. What do we got here, Ken?
Oh yeah, that's gonna be a hard A.
Really? You didn't even go S tier on your own theme you made?
No, because I don't use it anymore. It's 6 years ago.
All right. Madison, what do you think? If you forgot, there you go.
I forgot it, honestly. Maybe that's a bad sign if I already forgot it. I thought it was like a B.
A B. We got A
Yeah.
and B. I'm over here like on D tier. Going full D on it. All right, chat, what is it?
Prime on the D.
I'm on the D, baby. We're going to have a lot of fun, by the way, at... Oh,
Yeah, we are.
CRT Nightmare. Yeah, we got a lot of Ds. I think everyone's kind of agreeing on the D side.
Wow.
Except for the call me Kakash. Definitely put it as an SS plus 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 plus. How did you convince AWS Gauze to let you stream when nobody else can? Oh, can nobody stream right now? Got him.
Sweet.
It's called this is called being in South Dakota. You get see on your side. See, yeah, I'm on east. I don't go no west. I don't go to no west whatever. This actually gets me all the time, by the way. Whenever I'm at Netflix and we have some new server that we're going to test, everybody's like, oh, it looks great. I'm always like, it's breaking. Why does it break? And it's because I get routed to east every single time.
Oh.
Yeah. I don't know why. I didn't realize that the continental divide also divides the internet.
It's wild.
Ken looks super sus by that.
Someone said, sorry, Ken. Sorry, Ken.
I'm over here reading the comments. They say you should not read the comments, but here I am.
Here you are, reading the comments. All right,
That's the most fun part.
Ken, we're giving you a D.
Wouldn't be the first time.
You know, I appreciate the winning attitude. All right. Oh
Taking
gosh.
the D, Ken?
Getting the D.
Yeah, just getting the D.
Standard Ken maneuver there. All right. So I guess we have to pick a new theme. Now, I have suggested one. Madison, do you have a backup that you really like?
Ken usually has to pay for the D.
Yeah, that hurts a little bit, doesn't it?
You take Venmo?
I can't.
See, you always read the comments. They're great.
Okay.
All right, who are these people? I guess, yeah, there's a lot of new people that have joined in since we've been doing this. So again, we have Madison Kana at the tippity top. She's on Twitter. You can find her at Madison Kana, right? That's your Twitter handle is also your name, correct? Kana.
Yeah,
I always
Kana.
say Kana. Sorry, whenever I see
Yeah.
two N's, it feels like you have to say ah.
I know. I remember because you're saying because your wife is with the A, right?
Yeah, she has one N in Atlanta.
Yeah.
All right, anyways, Madison, book club. Oh, let me just throw this up here. Check it out when you can. Awesome. Good times. And you do Discord. I think the big thing is that this is probably the best thing for all because a huge portion of the audience is new, looking for jobs in that kind of area. And going through lead code problems together, that has to be like one of the best ways to learn these things. There has to be no
it's
better
really
way.
helpful. Yeah.
How much better have you gotten?
Oh my gosh, I've gotten so much better because I used to go to interviews and I would be terrified to code in front of people. But now I'm going on 3 years of this club where every Sunday I'm coding in front of somebody. And so it's helped me tremendously, like with interviews. I used to just like, you freeze up and you go into an interview. But
Yeah.
if you're used to coding around people all the time, like you do on stream, it gets much easier.
It does. I'm actually excited the next time I take an interview, and they're like, "Could you type up this example?" I'll be like, "Well, actually." Won't even fat finger it. I might get too excited that I get nervous again. Have you ever had that happen where you get too excited and it ruins the whole vibe?
Yeah, totally.
If
all
you
the
have
time.
to use like a regular, like if you go on site and have to use like a regular keyboard, would you be in trouble?
What I would do is if someone did that, I would say I'm not going to do it.
Would you actually go there with
Well,
your
The thing is
Kinesis
that
in a backpack?
no, it's not the regular keyboard doesn't bother me. I have a regular keyboard right there, and I can type on that just fine. It's that I have a custom layout because I had those wrist problems back in the day, and you can't just ask somebody to use a different. If you're gonna have someone interview, you should let them have the environment that they like, and let them do it. So if you're gonna do that, just be like, hey, bring a laptop, because we're gonna ask you to do something. So be prepared. Download this repo. Do what you need to do. Here you go. Right? I just think it's weird to hand somebody a computer and be like, hey, use this Mac. And the person's like, I don't even use Mac. What am I doing? You'd be like confused for half the time. Especially if they handed you a Windows computer.
I've had it happen.
I'd just say no. I'd slide it back at them and say, Uno reverse, atheist.
Or even when you're like not even when you're not even a computer, but like if you're in like a new code sandbox environment for an interview, but you don't really know the environment that well yet, you don't get the chance to like test it out before. You're just like thrown into a new place. You're like, how do I console log a thing? Very stressful also.
It is
Are you
really
hearing
stressful.
something funny?
Yeah.
So one time, this is actually great. So one time I got interviewed by Google, and they had me write code in Google Docs.
I've had that happen
I
many a
was
times.
like, what the fuck is this?
What? How do you do anything?
I don't know. It was like really difficult to like actually like code in Google Docs. It's like a word processor. Like shit was like going bold and like not. It was bad.
Dude, if you don't know this, I've been interviewed by Google probably about 20 separate times. And so I just had this year-long thing where they'd always say no to me, but they always asked me to interview every like 6 months. And so I just kept doing it for a while. I don't know why I could never get hired at Google. And I've been asked the dumbest questions, and I've coded up so many codes on Google Docs over and over and over again. It's just the
Why
worst.
I'm sweating, and it's in the chat. They asked why I'm sweating, and it's because it's hot as fucking balls in my basement.
That was
Prime, do you put makeup on before this?
Ken, why you never ask another man that question live?
Yeah,
How are you
Ken?
not shiny?
it's inappropriate.
Yeah, Ken. Can't believe it.
I do legit put on powder because otherwise you do get a little
I'm
shiny.
so shiny, half
Yeah.
Italian.
I can come do your makeup.
Yeah.
I got your back.
I know. I actually do. I don't powder. I don't do any sort of anything.
No,
No,
All
that would
natural?
require me to prepare. I'm the least preparing person possible.
just roll out of the top bunk right into the seat.
Boom. Top bunk every time.
Somebody
Yeah,
says, "Who has a hot basement?" Have you ever been in a basement? There's like dehumidifiers and like everybody's got like damp rid and stuff. It's like the most humid place on earth.
We clearly live in different areas because out here in the North Coast, it is nothing
Yeah.
but like basements are freezing. They are just like they are always 10 degrees colder.
Really?
Yeah, no, not in the Northeast,
I don't even think that's how physics works.
dude. The ground gets hot over the entire summer, and now it's like hot down here.
Really?
There's no ventilation.
Where are you at, Madison?
San Jose.
Settle.
California.
You are actually in the Bay Area.
I'm in the Bay, yeah.
Have you been to Oakenry yet?
What's that?
Oh, Oakenry. It's in Los Gatos, which everybody pronounces it Las Gatos. Los Gatos, Oakenry. Best. It's the best. It's the best.
Oh, it's a restaurant?
Yeah, it's a restaurant.
Oh, I want to go. No, I haven't been.
Look at even Flip. He's from the Bay Area. He knows all about
Yeah.
Oakenry. I am gonna go there. By the way, when I'm gonna be up there in a couple weeks, and I am going there. You're
Nice.
coming.
What kind of cuisine?
We're gonna get
Let's
more.
go.
It's pizza and rye whiskeys and other things.
California pizza.
We
Okay,
should
no,
go on our, October things.
yeah. First off, Kenzie. Okay, see, Ken has this whole like East Coast is superiority complex. It's not a pizza unless it's a pizza. New York pizza. Floppy. It needs to be flopping in the wind.
Cali pizza.
We do need to plan shenanigans. All right. Let's go on. Let's see. I challenge you to switch to Emacs for a week. Okay, no. Challenge you to give me $10,000. Pay for my well. How does that sound? All right, let's get a new one. Bearded. Okay, here we go. Do we want to do Pink Panic, Night Fox, or Bearded Theme?
Bearded theme sounds hilarious.
Yeah. All right, we're doing it. Bearded theme.
I like Pink Panic too.
Pink Panic. Okay, we'll double it up. We'll do a little Pink Panic, bearded theme. Holy cow, that is lush. All right, Ken, this is for you. How do you feel about it? Ken, just tell me some of your thoughts.
I love it. I just love it.
Okay.
It looks like what Bella Delphine would code with.
Very hip.
And I'm into that.
Could you use this, Ken? When are you gonna do a little code selfie, Twitter with this thing?
I would use that if I was gonna code in public. Like if I was gonna like post up at a Starbucks, I'd set that up, and people would be so confused.
Oh, that's actually a really funny idea. Oh, I like this. I do like the idea of having the worst possible theme in the universe while out in public, so people when they see it, they're like, "Oh, what's wrong with that kid?"
Like, what's going on over here? Like just writing Rust.
just McDonald's theme, greatest theme of them all. Madison, any thoughts on this one?
I think it's okay. I don't know. I went through my pink phase. I'm kind of over it. I don't know.
You coded in a pink with all the pinks?
Absolutely. Yeah.
Really?
I did. I had a pink for a little bit, like a month or two. I thought it was pretty. And then, so I'm kind of over that phase now. But I don't know. Maybe Ken hasn't gone through his pink phase yet.
Doesn't look like a man who has.
I rock pink. No. I have an entire closet full of pink polos. I love pink.
Like you do wear pink. I feel like I've seen you on Twitter posting like pink shirts.
I rock pink shit.
Yeah.
Pink Fox, for sure.
Prime, what do you think?
I would only use this ironically.
Yeah.
In all real sense, I would never actually use this theme. It's too bright, too much.
It's very bright.
Hurts me
Maybe it was
emotionally.
like a darker pink in the background that you could actually like see.
You think there's a dark pink? No, there isn't. It's just more light pink. It's all pink.
It's just more too bright.
All right, we are going to rate this one. I can't believe you actually went and did a full time just doing nothing but these themes like that. That blows my mind. That so Madison, you are really into the theme exploration.
Yeah, I feel like I was for a while, for sure.
But now you've settled on that one theme that got demolished.
Yeah, now I've settled on that one that everyone thinks it sucks.
All right, what is it? What are we rating this one?
I feel like it's like a F. I feel like it's at the bottom.
It is the bottom.
Pink.
The bottom. Yeah, the pink.
I've already ignored you, Ken.
Mm-hmm.
We're just doing this one as pink. Why can't it not find pink? I feel like it's right. Oh, wrong side. Where are we? Did I switch it up? Did I close my thing? Oh, I did. I closed it. Rookie mistake there. I closed it. All right, localhost 8,000. Is it not 8,000? Oh, it's Titty Sprinkles. I named this thing Titty Sprinkles.
Titty Sprinkles, good name.
Thank you. It was suggested on Twitter as my project name, and so we just went with it. Never stop.
What is a titty sprinkle? Can I get the technical definition?
Yeah.
Or the doc?
Actually, if you look up Titty Sprinkles on the internet, what you're going to find out is actually pot.
Oh,
What?
wow. Nice.
Oh wow.
California, how do I not know this?
Yeah.
Can I see the lineage on that bad boy?
Do I? Let's just do
No,
it.
you don't have to. I'll look it up later.
Let's see. Titty Sprinkles is an indica dominant hybrid strain 70-30. created through crossing the powerful Grease Monkey and Purple Punch 2.0 strains. Silly name aside, Titty Sprinkles packs a super tasty flavor and even more delicious effects that are perfect for a lazy night at home when you need a little extra help to get to sleep at night.
Yeah.
It's delicious.
There you go.
Nice.
Titty Sprinkles. I know. Who would have guessed?
Beautiful.
But people are very, very impressed at the fact that I just Googled Titty Sprinkles and did not get TOS'd. See, that's what happens. All right, we did
That
have
is
one
impressive.
What is
Good job.
TOS?
terms of service.
Yeah, but what does that mean? Like, as a
You break TOS, you break terms of service, you get banned.
is there somebody on Twitch like watching for that? Like,
It has happened. I've had it. I haven't got banned, but I definitely broke TOS twice in my streaming career so far. Once someone gave me a YouTube video, and there's a pair of teats available in the YouTube video. It's like a music video, but it has like the oldie time footage, and a girl ran by on the oldie time footage, black and white and all, but still teats. And then the second one, we were showing how cool the Discord was. And everyone was posting images, and then someone posted a huge peen just right in the Discord.
nice.
It just ruined the whole thing, you know. Everything was great. That happened.
I respect that person though.
It just no respect. All right, here we go. This is the bearded one. Hold on. Apparently, this is just not very good pictures here. Is there like a less of a big picture that we can look at that just has?
I don't understand. These are all different themes.
These are all they're all kind of the same. Like, do you see how there's like green here? That's like the same green here. It's like slight variations on all the exact same ones. Oh,
yeah,
but
I don't have time for any of that shit.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, I don't like this. In fact, we're not even gonna rate this one. Too confusing. It's too confusing. I don't even want to. There's too many. There's like Monakai in there and all that stuff. I don't even want to. It's just one dark. That's all it is. All right, look at that. Everyone's ready. Okay, pick my theme. Pick it. All right, I have a theme. I'm gonna do a theme. Actually, I do want to do tomorrow night. I feel like I've seen this tomorrow night theme, many times, but I've never actually looked at it. Are you ready?
Ready.
I like the enthusiasm.
Ken is so focused right now.
I know Ken is ready.
I'm just trying to see it. Like, yeah, okay.
A terrible picture quality.
This is okay. It's not ugly.
It's not ugly, but I feel like I've seen it before. You know what I mean?
Yeah, nothing original.
It's not like great. It's not like bad. It'll do.
Yeah, it'll do.
It's just a really strong C. Is that what I'm hearing from everybody?
Real strong C.
Yeah. Would you actually use this one, or would you just find something better?
I mean, if it came on the editor,
Yeah, if it was like a default, you're too lazy to change it.
You just got
I would
hit.
be like, this has got to go.
Okay. I have to pee. Oh crap! I just overwrote pink.
Wait, do you have to do that outside?
Yes, I have to do it outside. Okay. You don't want to know what I've done outside so far this week. Okay,
Dude,
it's been awful.
Don't you have like a bottle of Bang or something sitting around?
Bottle of Bang? What is that?
You don't drink Bang?
No, I don't want heart.
You guys really don't drink this?
No, never.
The finest beverage known to man.
Is that like an energy drink?
Yeah, it's the ultimate energy drink.
Okay.
It has branched chain amino acids,
Those things will kill you.
super
Yeah.
creatine.
Is creatine?
Oh, okay. Maybe it's one of the healthy ones.
I don't
This
know.
one
I'm going
is
pee.
wild and watermelon.
I don't drink any caffeine. So
Really?
yeah, I gave it up a few months ago.
How's that working out for you?
It's not bad. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Was there like an adjustment period?
Yeah, I woke up every day and I was like, damn, I have no energy. But only for like 3 weeks.
But now when you wake up, what is it? Just like a tall glass of water?
I drink decaf coffee. So
Oh, okay.
yeah,
Like herbal teas in play?
just like black coffee.
No. Have you ever tried sport tea?
No, what is that?
Shit, it's unbelievable. I was in a spa and they had that. It was in one of those have you ever seen one like those like decanters, right? Where it's like they have like crystals in it and they're like this shit like balances your earth energy or whatever.
Did it work? Did it balance your earth energy?
I don't really know. I know that I drank it and I felt good, but I was also in a robe inside of a sauna, so
Were you getting like a massage?
yeah, I
Also?
did. Yeah, it was unbelievable.
Oh, it
And
sounds
they
amazing.
and they're like, "Oh, sport tea." So I tried it. I'm like, "This stuff is pretty good."
I
So
want to try it. Good.
I stopped like drinking heavily for like a month, and
Why?
I drank that stuff instead. I don't know, just to see how it would go. I'm not quite
Yeah.
back to heavily, but certainly recreationally.
Yeah.
And sport tea was pretty good in the interim.
Nice little break.
I drink a ton of coffee though,
Yeah. How many cups a day?
like 9.
Are you no, you're kidding. You're kidding.
Yeah, like 9 K cups, like Keurig, like shitty coffee. Like,
Wow.
yeah, it's not like I'm
Wow.
like out here like hand grinding Yurga chef or anything. I just pop K cups and slay it.
You don't seem hyped enough to like have that much coffee in your system. At like, where are you right now in the day?
It's like 3 in the afternoon.
So like 4 cups in, 5 cups in.
Yeah. Well, no, probably about 6 cups.
Is that just like
I'm
when
a
you
little pooped though. I power washed a sauna earlier, so I had these little pieces of wood chip all over me and shit, like in my arm hairs. So I'm like tired. Like
what does that even mean? I don't know what that means.
what?
Power washed a what?
A
All right,
sauna.
sorry. Hey, I'm back.
Oh.
Hey, hi.
Yeah, like an outdoor barrel sauna. Like I power washed it, and
That's
like when you
crazy.
power wash it, like the water and whatever's on it like sprays back all over you, and it's fucking gross.
Like a sauna in here.
Yeah, it's a sauna in this office right now.
It looks like it. You're in the sauna. It's like a workspace sauna.
I wish I could push this back without destroying everything. But it's up against several things.
All right, normal bouncing. Bouncing's over. All right, let's look at this. Have we done it? All right, we do have tomorrow night. Okay, so I'm gonna throw in one. Okay, I'm gonna throw in one. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
I may or may not use this one. We don't know. All right, it's Folky Tokyo Night.
Cool name.
It is. I think it's real
Intriguing.
cool.
That's actually what I use.
Used Folky
Really?
Tokyo Night.
I use Tokyo. Yeah, that's literally what I use in Neovim right now.
This one is nice.
I love this theme.
It's beautiful. This is like not boring, but not too crazy. It's like a perfect balance.
Yep, green strings
Yeah,
too.
that's
Makes
great.
me happy. A lot of blues. I feel like
Lots of
they
blues.
really lean in without all that red. You know, because that oxo carbon had a lot of red as well, and I feel like it was hard. Whereas this one, I feel like it's more it's like more one side dominant. It's like blue and green. I like it.
I love this one. Yeah, it's so pretty.
S.
This is great. S. I think I agree.
Hard S.
All right, Ken's nothing but a hard ass over here. Jeez, Ken. I actually agree with it. I'm gonna go with a hard S on this one. Tokyo Night's just the best. Every single time I've done, it just always feels like the right move. You know what I mean? So this is the one that I usually go to for a while, and I love it, and then I go somewhere else.
Yeah. But you come back. Is this the one you come back to though?
No, it's not.
Oh. Damn.
I know.
You don't even come back to the S.
All right, there we go. Tokyo Night up at the tippity top. All right. I guess do either of you two have a suggestion here?
I got nothing.
Chat, we're not going to give you a chance to say anything if we already all agree it's S's, okay? It's an S if we're all S's here. It's an easy win.
Do you know what I use on VS Code?
What do you use on VS Code?
I use the Cyberpunk theme with the Activate Scarlet Protocol subvariant.
Could you link that to me, Ken?
Just type in Cyberpunk Scarlet.
Okay.
Cyberpunk Scarlet.
Cyberpunk Scarlet.
Very cool.
Just put theme just to qualify.
Okay. Theme.
Yeah, Cyberpunk right there.
Okay.
Yeah, and then if you go down, there's a Scarlet Protocol. There's the Umber Protocol, and then Activate Scarlet Protocol. That's actually what I use in VS Code.
Why is there a copyright notice?
I don't know. What does it say? I can't read it. It's too small.
Copyright Google Incorporated, all rights reserved. Use of this source code is governed by the MIT license.
Yeah, I don't know.
So this is the one you use.
That's literally what I use. And I'll tell you why. Because it's easy on the eyes when I'm in a dark basement. I code in a dark basement all day long. There's no windows in here. There actually is a window up there, but I blocked it with a piece of plywood.
So it's like a sweaty, dark basement.
A sweaty dark basement. That's where I
That
spend
makes you
most of
more
my
productive.
life. And then I just
You think that's-
emerge for conferences.
Is that why you have to get super drunk to go tan outside? Because you're just so used to
Exactly.
the sweaty, dark basement?
That's right. I'm like one of those lizards that glows in the dark and shit.
That'll be fun for the party.
All right. I like the red. The red. I like that.
Okay.
I don't know. I'd give it a B.
I can see it's like an A or B. It's pretty cool.
What do you say, Ken?
I'll go B. I still like it.
Are you doing a little anchor bias here, Ken?
What do you mean?
Ooh,
Well, we just both kind of,
peer pressure.
yeah, we kind of downgraded it, and you're just like, oh, sure, I'll go with the B.
No, not at all. I just use it so much that it's just like, you eat a turkey sandwich every day, you see a burger. It's like, fuck.
I actually don't know what that means.
I don't know what that means.
It means that variety is the spice of life.
That's what that means? Okay. Ken?
Guess so.
Weird. All right, so what do we call this one? Cyberpunk? All right, we're gonna have let's see, Cyberpunk ping. We're gonna have let's have a chat. All right, so right now we're sitting at a B. What are we gonna sit at, chat? What is Cyberpunk? Scarlet Protocol. What are we sitting at? B is where we're kind of going right now.
Ooh, some C's.
Yeah, Ken, you're definitely getting dominated hard out there.
Bring it on.
Trash. One person just rated it trash.
That's cool.
That's a good rating. Wait, is the trash rating like an F or an S though? Is it like good or bad?
I think it depends if we're talking about trash dev
Yeah, that's what I was gonna say.
or Ken's trashy taste. Very different.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Oh my.
My taste, bro.
This is amazing. Wait, do you wear this unironically? This is incredible.
Yeah, I do. Yeah.
Definitely.
I love this.
Just a little extra.
Thank you, Richard. Oh man, that is
Ooh, I want one for myself.
It is hot in the basement, but
sometimes you gotta throw on that gold sleeved jacket, huh? That's what you're doing?
my taste came into question, so I had to
Ooh, we're gonna rate
really
your
quickly just say that I'm a
best taste.
bon vivant.
Ken, we're gonna put you in the C category because you got
Okay.
dominated. I mean, chat was like, you got like a solid D to F on that one. So it's kind of hard to give you anything else.
Can you hear me vaping on the mic?
Yes, we can.
Okay, I'll move closer.
Okay, thank you. It was very inappropriate that you were trying to hide it. You know what I mean?
Oh yeah, I was like, what is he doing over there? He's trying
Yeah.
to like pick his nose. I couldn't tell for a
Do you think
second.
people say that when I'm on a plane? I'm over there like,
Yes.
I feel like that guy's absolutely vaping on that plane.
Yes. It's either that or he's making like a sound with his hand on it. Was he being
No,
a
but there's like
walkie-talkie
the
over
fan
there?
on the plane, so nobody could hear it.
All right. I got one. I got one more. Well, actually, we have two more. That here is one of the most popular themes I've ever seen. Are you ready? Are you ready?
We're ready.
I'm ready.
Cat poutine.
Cat poutine.
It's actually cat poutine.
Cat pussin.
Cat pussin is what I call it.
Cat pussin.
Best theme.
People
Yeah.
love this one. People go nuts for this one. Here you go.
Wow,
It's a pretty nice theme.
that is nice.
Little variety pack, depending on how much You want to go from light to dark?
I don't know why you'd go anywhere other than the two ends.
Middle seems like a weird place to be.
Why would you put your theme and why would you set it to the middle?
No. All right. What do you think, Ken? What do you think, Madison?
I'm gonna give it an A.
Yeah, I could see it as an A.
See it as an A?
Yeah, here we. It's pretty.
I wouldn't throw it out.
Okay. Okay. Would you show other people this theme?
Yeah, I would. No shame.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right.
I wouldn't be like, bro, you gotta install this theme.
Yeah, yeah. I wouldn't be like telling other people like you gotta try this. Yeah.
This theme, you gotta come over to my desk.
All right. What do we have here? Cat Puccin is for sex havers. Gotta be careful about that. All right. What are we at?
Really? So many S's. Wow, people do love this theme.
It's
People love it.
crazy. People love this theme.
People love it. I agree. It's not as good as Tokyo. Someone said that. I agree. But wow, so many S's.
When I get bored of Tokyo, I might use it.
Okay. Okay. All right then. Over 900 people downloading Cat Puccin now. All right. All right. Well, I mean, what do we say? Is this an A or S?
I go with A.
A, yeah.
All right, we'll do A. Did I not tell you that people just love this? Isn't it just the strangest thing ever how much I've never seen people so like
Yeah.
thirsty for a theme.
I don't know why. Like maybe you have to use it and it really grows on you. Like it's pretty, but dang.
It's pretty, but I wouldn't I wouldn't spam S's all day. I like it. I like it, but it's not spamming S's love. It's good though. People, but you can also put it into everything. Yes, you can. So you can put that. So they made themes for like everything, for the for your terminal, for all the places. I think that's why they're winning so much, is because they have a uniform thing you can use everywhere.
Yeah.
Look at this.
That's
Xcode,
cat name.
Cocoon, Helix, Gedit, Tailwind. You do it for Grub.
Tailwind.
I didn't even know that was possible. All right, anyways. All right, let's see. What I got one more. Are you ready for this one?
Yes.
Are you ready? I think it is this one. I always forget where to go on this one. How do you feel about this one?
I don't know. It's kind of basic.
This reminds me of like a old Buick or something. I don't like that shit.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm tired of it.
You're tired of it. Okay, so this is the one I actually always end up going back to. That's this one right here.
Oh my god. This one? Oh.
This old Buick. This
Oh,
old
no.
Buick.
Not for me.
Oh, it looks familiar. Oh,
All right, what do you rate it as then, Kenneth?
I mean, I could use it, right? Like, it's not like so bad that like I can't actually like use it functionally to like tell like the different things apart, right?
Mm-hmm.
So maybe a D.
Ooh. Madison,
Yeah,
this is your
It's just
chance.
so muted. It's like one of like those like striped shirts from the '60s or something. I'm an extra ass dude. I can't be coding with some shit like that.
yeah, I feel like it's like maybe it's like a C.
This was your chance, Madison, to get back after the Nordico
I
incident.
blew it. I
All
blew
right,
it.
chat, what is it?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going full S tier on this one.
Dang, there's mixed.
This might be our most mixed.
Wow, this is a controversial theme.
Wow.
This-
Rusty Ford Mustang.
Damn, I'm gonna have to put this thing at a C.
That shit looks like old pictures of my parents.
Oh no! Don't be saying that.
My dad in jean shorts.
Dang.
My dad in jean shorts.
I'll show you the pic. I'll post it later to Twitter. It's
Okay.
Actual jean shorts? Like
Yeah.
shorts.
Yeah, like
That's
short shorts, real short jean shorts.
It's respectable
Your
though.
problem.
When confronting about it, he says that everybody had them. So it was like,
Sounds like those would be like really tight. I envision them really tight for some reason.
yeah. So I have this bathing suit. It's like a 4-inch inseam, and it looks
I don't know what
like
that means.
light like little baby shorts.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I don't know
Like
what
a
it is.
mankini.
No. It's not quite like a Speedo, but it's like just at the point where you're showing gum. You know, like, it's like real high up, and it's like a bathing suit material, right? But it's like it looks like jean shorts. So it's
Oh,
like the
my
trashiest
cousin
it's
has one of
amazing.
those too. My brother-in-law has those.
It's incredible.
He also was he's also known, in fact, here, actually, let's see if we can look this up. I know it's on Facebook, so Denim Legend Greg. Let's see if it shows up. Hold on.
Your brother-in-law's named Denim Legend Greg.
Yes, right here. Boom. This is my brother-in-law. Let's go.
It's amazing.
See, it's these ones, aren't they?
Oh, this guy fucks. No, I own those, but they're not the ones I was talking about.
There you
So
go. This is
amazing.
Denim Legend Greg.
That's a Gene Keeney.
That is a Gene Keeney. Look at him go. And here we go. 3, 2, 1. And Pawn Skims.
Wow.
This guy's incredible. I want to meet him so bad.
Yes, that is the kind of people I hang out with. Anyways, he's Denim Legend.
Isn't
Denim
he
Legend
cold?
Greg. Huh, what was that?
Isn't he cold?
I would assume it's a little cold.
A little chilly.
I would assume, perhaps you're not fitting out those Denim Legend shorts as well in such weather like that. Normal day in Montana. Totally normal day. He is the exact opposite of me. He has confidence. He looks good. Sweet glasses. All those things. All right. All right. So I guess you guys are hurting my feelings. We're putting Groovebox at a C. Yeah.
Yeah.
So this is what it feels like, Madison, to watch other people
It's
just.
like have everyone tear down your dreams. Yeah. You had it coming.
Madison, do you know where I got this jacket?
No.
Spirit
No.
Halloween. I am not kidding.
You're kidding me. You're kidding me.
No, I was in there like getting decorations for my kids. I'm like, oh shit, look at that.
By the way, Ken, Nate said
What's
he
the
would rank this
costume?
3 tiers above your sleeves. That theme.
Sick.
Oh my God. Wait, what costume is that supposed to be a part of?
It's a part of a greater pimp costume, and it just
You're
says
literally-
pimp. It said pimp jacket, and I couldn't say no.
That kind of costume is still allowed, like just a straight up pimp. I love it.
Mhm.
I'm a fan. I'm a fan.
I would
That's great.
imagine you'd get canceled at some point for that. I mean,
For
you've been
this jacket,
Yeah.
no. Well, maybe. The next time we hang out, I expect to see you in that jacket because I'll also wear my very, very similar jacket to that.
You
I
have
was
a
gonna
pimp
wear
jacket?
that Primogen costume that I found at Spirit.
Ooh.
The
What is it?
mustache. That's what you're gonna
It's
wear.
amazing.
70s mustache.
Yeah, it's like a mustache, and it's like the same exact hair.
I was thinking about getting a mustache for Halloween, so at some point I could rip it off.
Don't you ever shave?
Just ever. Just never shave again.
Don't
Just
do
let
it.
it all go.
No, leave that thing on there.
I've been leaving it on for a while. This is the longest I've ever had a mustache, and my wife is not as impressed as I thought she'd be. All right. I think we should call it.
Yeah.
You guys want to call it?
Sounds good.
Yeah. All right, you guys can stick around for a second. I'll just call it on the stream first. Hey, stream, we've done it. I feel like we rated all the big ones. I don't know how much more we need to do. Ken's looking at something. He's actually currently working. He's back at work right now, trying to avoid being a daddy.
No, I'm reading comments, looking at you, looking at the time,
It's a lot of comments.
thinking about chicken, sweating, all of these things at once.
You know what the funny part is?
What?
I don't even have to think about chicken.
Wow! This man had low key chicken the entire time. I'm sitting here with piss bang cans. This man has chicken with a bite taken. When did you take a bite out of that?
Several times so far. I'm a sneaky man. Okay.
What?
I didn't even see you bite the chicken. You got to teach me how. You got to teach me your tricks so I could vape on planes better.
I know you really got you got to really work on that one. Dark Plus Dracula. Dracula's so boring. All right, hold on. We got to do Dracula. There's two ones that you just have to do. Dracula theme I don't know, VS Code. We'll just whatever it is. The official Dracula official. See, I mean this just looks like every other theme, right?
I like Darkula.
You like
There's not
Darkula?
enough contrast in regular Dracula. Yeah, if you look at Darkula, like if you like.
Yeah, isn't
spread it a
that
little bit more-
isn't that IntelliJ's default theme?
I don't know. I don't fucking use IntelliJ.
I don't use IntelliJ.
Mm.
On show resorts for Darkula.
Darkula.
This one? Yeah, this is IntelliJ.
No.
Straight up.
No.
No? No?
Maybe it's
Darkula.
Dracula Dark.
This is the same photo. This is Darkula off of that.
Yeah, no, it's not that. Maybe Darkula with a C.
Darkula with a C. Darkula theme Visual Studio. Jeez.
No, that's still not it.
Yeah, that's just IntelliJ. This is IntelliJ.
Maybe it's just Dracula Dark mode. I don't know. It's just not enough contrast the default one. But I like Dracula theme.
Yeah, it's IntelliJ Darkula. That's just Darkula.
Oh.
Come on, dog. IntelliJ made that one. I don't use IntelliJ. Well, you sure seem to love them, Ken.
I don't use IntelliJ. I
Give
don't
me
use
one reason why you
WebStorm. Yeah, shit. What?
One reason why don't you use IntelliJ? Is
I've actually preferred minimal editors.
that why you use VS?
So I went from like TextMate to Sublime Text to Atom to VS Code with little stints of Vim in between. Right now I'm on a Vim stint, so don't blow it.
All right, I
Don't do
won't.
it.
I won't. All right, and then okay, one more. We're gonna look at one more. Not even solarized.
Hi Theo.
Hey, don't say hi to him, okay?
Yo. Yeah.
Isn't Theo great?
He is
We
great.
love Theo.
We're even using his product. For those that don't know, we're legitimately using Ping right now, which was created and designed by Theo.
It's fantastic.
Theo
Yeah.
and friends. All right, I'm trying to just find an image. Dang. Can we
I
just,
hate this theme so much.
this one?
Yes.
Solarized Dark. You don't like it?
I hate this theme.
I'm going to tell you the truth. I'm going to tell you the complete and honest truth. For the first couple years of me coding, this is what I used.
Well,
This is that's disgusting.
way.
That shit looks
Solarized
like
light. I used
Principal
it.
khakis.
why? It does look like principal khakis or vomit, just like straight up vomit.
This is what an accountant would code
Vomited
with.
all over my computer. Okay.
Okay, well, I didn't realize you guys could react more poorly than Groovebox, but I guess you guys found a way to do that. It's not principal khakis. Okay, it's not even pleated pants. Okay, this is just nice stuff here. All right, this is nice stuff.
Dwayne
Oh.
the Rock Johnson would wear that theme.
It's very insulting. Okay, I can't believe you just throw that out like that. All right, fine. All right, we're gonna end this. Let's go over to. Hey, where can we find you guys?
Twitter.
What's your favorite place to be found on? What's your Discord link? Do you share your Discord link, Madison, or do you have to
I
have them do
don't have it
purely the
right
emails?
now.
What was that?
right now. I
Okay,
don't know where it is. You just go to my Twitter. Yeah.
I don't even know where it's at. All right. So find Madison or Ken Wheeler, Madison Canna or Ken Wheeler on the Twitters.
thekenwheeler.beatstars.com.
Nice.
The Ken Wheeler .beatstars.com.
.beatstars.com.
Ken Wheeler Luxury.
That's a hard beat. Nobody could hear it.
Oh no, chat can.
Oh, chat can. I just can't hear it.
Yeah, hear it. You guys can hear it, but you can hear yourself. So hold on,
Okay.
I'll change it.
Put on bread. That shit goes hard.
Ken, you dirty dog. I like it. I like it, Ken.
Yeah.
Nice.
Let me get back to not on. Where is this? Madison, do you have a sweet example like that?
No, I got nothing.
Okay.
Wow, I wish I did.
I know. Now that you saw that, now you know how high the bar can be.
For real.
I also don't even have that.
I actually co-created that song. That was my voice. The Ken Wheeler. That was me.
Yeah.
You're welcome.
There you go.
Yeah.
Collab.
Collabed.
Yeah. When's the sound pack? When you drop in the mixtape?
I should, huh?
Yeah.
Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna actually like put an album together while streaming. Like I'm gonna stream the creation of an album and let the community lead me astray and make it sound terrible.
That's awesome.
So yeah. As soon as I start streaming, which is when I'm like off of paternity leave, then yeah.
All right.
I don't know, 8 streams in or so, we'll have an album. I'll put it out.
I'll buy it. Quick question. Will I get DMCA'd playing that song?
No.
Are you coming after me?
No. I gave it to some of my friends for their YouTube videos, and they got like whatever like the sound scan thing is, like Beat ID.
Uh-huh.
And then I turned that off because it was like screwing with their videos. So no, you should be fine.
Okay, because I would use that. Not gonna lie to you, I might use it.
You
Might throw it
you
in.
can
Something.
use it. Take it. It's all yours. I'll send you the non-tagged one.
Ooh, baby. I'll buy it. I'll buy it. Ken. All right. Let's get over to Twitch. We're getting over to Twitch. We're gonna do a quick raid. Ken Wheeler, Madison Canna. I always say Kana. Can't even help it.
Canna.
All right. So let's see. We haven't done our boy Randy in a while. Do you know Randy? Have you guys seen his music videos? I mean, his music videos. His YouTube videos.
No.
Perhaps one of the funniest videos of all time. I love his YouTube. His YouTube was an inspiration for me doing YouTube. I don't know if you know that. No, you do. The more you know.
No.
The chat says I always look like I'm angry.
You do.
I can't help my resting dick face.
Resting deep face.
RDF.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, have you seen Hate Cheetah?
No.
It's the best thing in the entire internet, and I need you to see it. It's Hate Cheetah something Noah. Hold on, I'm gonna look it up real quick.
Hey, Cheetah Noah, this one.
Good boy Noah, yeah.
Right here?
Yeah.
Which one? This one? Top one?
You just yeah, it doesn't matter which one you go to. It's all good.
I can't even hear it. Oh.
Lasagna and I need you.
Yeah, no problem, bro. I'll teach you. Grab a pound of any ground meat you like. We gon' use turkey to keep it light. Then you chop an onion.
Who's making me cry?
Brown it up and pour the grease out. Add your sauce and turn the heat down. Make sure that you season it.
When can we put some cheese in it?
Not yet, man. First you gotta mix some mozzarella and ricotta. Add some eggs and parmesan.
I feel so Italian.
Add some fresh parsley. Now it's time to get to layering. It goes sauce, pasta, cheese, and then repeat again.
How many layers should there be?
At least 3. Then cover it in some foil and bake at 350 degrees.
It's like educational. All right, bye.
25.